Sure. My name's Chris McKean. This is my wife.
I'm Jenn Jackson.
Jennifer and I have owned a PizzaForno machine for a little over a year now. Very excited to be a licensee.
Awesome. So how was your experience with the installation process and onboarding with PizzaForno?
Installation and onboarding for us was a piece of cake. From the very get-go, you can be as hands-on as you want, as hands-off as you want. The PizzaForno team provides a lot of support. It was great.
Could you provide an overview of your typical day-to-day operations as a PizzaForno licensee?
It's easy from getting in the car and unloading it to unlocking the machine and loading it. It's so user-friendly. As a licensee, it doesn't take a lot of work.
How would you describe the support provided by the PizzaForno team?
PizzaForno team is
amazing.
They are amazing. They are amazing. Jen's right. We've got George here today. We've got Jake here today, helping us with a free commuter appreciation event, giving away pizza, and they've been nothing but helpful.
As an experienced PizzaForno licensee, what are your overall thoughts and feelings about being part of the PizzaForno family?
Jen?
We're so excited to be part of this innovative company. We're so happy that we got in when we did because it's absolutely the way of the future.
What are the biggest benefits of running an automated pizza vending machine?
Biggest benefits of running the machine is really it's as much as work as you want it to be. Again, there's a lot of hands-on and learning, which is great because you get to learn new things as a business owner. But there's a great relationship with PizzaForno as well, where you can learn a lot more from them. They can help when you need the help. So it's been just very rewarding having a partner that's got as much skin in the game as you do.
And what advice would you give to new licensees coming on board?
It's like Nike.
Just do it.